Yo, what's happening? I'm back with another video, and today I'm just gonna install my CB radio. And so yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Haven't seen anyone do it also on this car, and it's just kind of tight fit, so we'll see. We'll get into it. Alright, I look worn out. Kind of am, but here's what I did. What I did was I had to choose which side the radio wanted to go on, and it's either left side, my side by my foot over here, or it's over here by the passenger side foot. And of course this is going to suffer a little bit, but you know, in the long run I think it's better. But what I did was I just looped it through this hole, out through this side, down to here. Down to here. Then I looped it through a hole in there, back there, all the way around. All the way around, down to the fuse box. So that now I get to plug in the fuse tap and everything. So this wire came out through there. And then it went under the, I don't know what you would call this, dashboard. And then came out here by the fuse box, and now I'm going to plug it into the fuse box, then ground it right there to the chassis. So yeah. So to be able to tap into the fuse, what you want to do is get one of these fuse taps, the low profile minis. You can find it at O'Reilly's. And I put in a 5 amp fuse. You could go down to 2, but I just put 5 because that's what I was able to find. And then the original was a 10, so you put the original on the bottom and the new one on the top. So the wire comes out of the top basically, and the new one just, or the bottom one, just sends it back into where it originally was. I decided to plug it into the ignition number 1 on this car because I only want this radio to be on when the car is on. I don't want it to be on or have the ability to be on when the car is off. If you want to, you can do it, hook up to the hazard fuse or anything, but yeah, this is just what I did. You don't have to do it this way. But yeah, I just look for a switch or constant fuses, and you can just pick your whatever you like. So yeah, that's how you apply the fuse, and you just plug it in now. That is where the fuse tap is, and then all the way back here I just put the black wire to that chassis screw where it's grounded, and just ground that under the screw and it'll be fine. Alright, so I pretty much attached my radio right here. And so I'm sitting here, radio is here, I can see the screen and everything. This thing might need to just rotate a little bit, but that's fine. But yeah, this is great. This is a good setup. I can see it here. It's a bit sideways, but whatever. Then I need to figure out where to put the actual thing, and then I need to hook up the antenna. So yeah, that's good. I just bolted it to the side panel, this thing. So yeah, and then I wired around the back under the panel, under this panel that it's attached to. So yeah, it's pretty stable. I mean, it wobbles a little bit because of the plastic panel, whatever, you know, it's not moving, it's not leaving anywhere. So yeah, that's good. And yes, it does turn on, but I'm not gonna leave it on because I need to do the SWR and everything. So yeah, I need to go and hook up the antenna now, and it'll be good. Update. Antenna. What I did was I wrapped it around the bottom of the trunk, made it so it came up here. Kind of zip tied it up here with the actual factory wires. Attached it through the factory down to here so that it doesn't crease anywhere. Shoved it up kind of into there. Let me get my phone for a second. Shoved it up into there. Wrapped it all the way around through there, under that, and then under the seat. From there, I pulled it from under the seat, out through here, down there, under this chair. From under the front chair into my CB radio. So that's how I did it. You don't have to do it that way. You can just let the wires run loose, but that's how I did it. Now I just got to tidy up the car, and it's all set, and I got to go set my SWR. Yo, I'm back. You probably noticed I changed shirts, probably because I went to take a shower and just rest a little bit. But now I gotta go tune the SWR, or standing wave ratio, of the antenna so that I can actually use the radio. So yeah, let's go do that. And it will be done. But yeah, it's been very tiring because I've pretty much torn apart the entire sort of, well, not the entire, but like a good portion of the center console to wire everything. I tore apart my entire trunk liner and everything just so I can loop the wire around and then under the seat, so that way I can not have wires everywhere and it won't pinch when I open and close and do everything. So that was something that took a little bit, but I think we're set. So yeah, let's go and do the SWR and we'll be all good. Awesome. So if you don't notice, I wasn't able to get it tuned yesterday because everywhere I looked, the parking lots were full. So I just kind of said, I'll just wait. Because right now, I kind of need there to be an empty parking lot to tune the antenna. You don't have to, but it's just better to tune the antenna itself. So yeah, we're going to go do that now in the morning before everyone's out and about and fills up every parking lot. Yo, so I've actually set it up now. So it works and everything. I don't know if the screen shows up well on camera or not. It doesn't really look like it shows up perfectly. But hey, it's all set up now. SWR was really low actually, so that's fine by me. Anyways, it should generally be below 3. I just got it as low as possible and it was just perfect where it was. So I'm leaving it as it is. Anyways, but yeah, I'm excited to have this. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. See you next time.